Am I this body? When this body was born, it was hardly few inches long. Since then, many cells of this body have died and new cells have replaced them. Is it the same body which was born on a particular date? Was this body not present before my so-called date of birth? Were my body cells not present before I was conceived by my mother? Were my body cells not present separately in my parents' bodies? In fact, in my grandparents' bodies also. After every few months, all cells in this body are replaced with completely new cells. Am I this body which keeps on changing all the time? Or am I the one who is always unchanging? Am I these hands or legs? Will I still be there if these body parts are gone? Will I still be there when this body is gone? I have witnessed lots of ups and downs in my life so far. Many times I saw extreme unpleasant situations which appeared like a dead end. However, I went through it all. I experienced beautiful moments also. Whatever unpleasant or even pleasant moments I have experienced so far, those are all recorded in my memory. However, if something happens right now, due to which I lose all my memory completely, then those unpleasant and pleasant memories will be erased forever, as if nothing ever happened. Am I this mind or its memory? Will I still be there if it is gone? Even the so-called personality, which I strongly identify with, all the things, people or places I like or dislike, all my hobbies, all the things I don't like or hate, all my achievements I am proud of, and failures I am ashamed of, will be completely forgotten if I lose my memory completely. If I lose my memory completely, I'll still be there. I'll be here, but without any conditioning, any preconceived notions or judgments for anyone. Every night, during deep sleep, this mind, its memories, thoughts, and emotions are all gone during that period. Regardless of what I've gone through during the entire day, all the memories are turned off during the deep sleep. Even in the absence of mind, I'm still here. This means I'm not this mind. I am the one who is still here when mind is turned off. During deep sleep, I have no experience of my surroundings, my five senses, my physical body, my memories, my concepts, even my identity. In fact, at that time, I'm not even conscious whether I exist or not. At that time, I have no experience of my body. In my experience, there is no body, there is no sense of time, no sense of space, no past, no future. Only pure me. Still, even at that time, I exist without any particular form or shape as pure awareness, who is not even conscious of itself, whether I exist or not. There is no mind or consciousness at that time to say, I am here. Even this sense of I am, this consciousness is absent. At that time, there is only pure I, pure awareness without any content, without any form, without any attributes or objects. After deep sleep, when the dream state appears, this sense of I am reappears as consciousness. A dream is projected in my vast, empty screen of awareness. An illusion is created. A new body and mind is projected in this dream world, which is unaware of the physical body which is sleeping on bed. This mind assumes that the illusory projected dream body is real me, and the illusion continues. If there are unpleasant or pleasant situations in dream, mind becomes happy or sad. If there are unpleasant situations in dream, mind becomes even afraid. But this mind never realizes that it is all fake. It's a fake dream, a maya, an illusion, a projection to fool the mind itself. Mind only realizes that it was all a dream when it comes out of dream and wakes up. But the real me witnesses all this drama from a distance, completely unaffected and untouched by the content of this drama. I am a witnesser of everything. Problem only arises when mind becomes too attached to the assumed identities, and when it considers this body and mind as me. Whatever mind adds after I am this or I am that, it's all assumption and illusionary identities of the mind. I am is a complete statement in itself. No identity is needed after I am. Real me is always witnessing all the three states of deep sleep, dream state, and this so-called waking state without judging anything, without getting affected by the content being played in front of me. Real me does not even care what mind is doing. Real me would never intervene, even if mind is involved in its stupid activities. I always remain unaffected, even if mind is angry, sad, happy, or even ecstatic. Only mind can think, judge, make opinions, believe in illusory concepts, etc. But I am not this mind. Here, there cannot be any thoughts, emotions, concepts, or ideas. Here I am only in peace, silence, and emptiness. There is no content here. Here there is only emptiness. Here there is no movement, no form, no shape, no size, no attributes. As a witnesser, as a pure witnesser here, I am boundaryless, shapeless, sizeless, attributeless, because only body can have a boundary. Even only body can have a shape. As a witnesser here, I am infinite. I have no boundary. I have no shape, no size, no quality, no attributes. As pure awareness, I am Satchitanand, the bliss of pure consciousness, which is not individual to this body, but common to all beings. It's universal. I am the witnesser of not only this mind, but all the minds. I am the witnesser of everything. I am the very source of this cosmos, from where it all began. The Big Bang was Rudra's roar, and I am that Rudra. In my infinitely vast empty field of pure awareness, this illusory world, this dream, rises and falls like tides in the ocean. As pure awareness, as a pure witnesser here, I witness the bodies of all awakened beings, all of them, all were me, because I am not this mortal body and mind. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. I am the infinite, the pure, empty field of awareness. I am the one and only source of creation. I am Shiv. I was never born. How can I ever die? As a witnesser, even when this mind is afraid of dying, I do not care. Even if this body dies, it will be like one of my body cells has disappeared. How does it even matter when the whole universe is my body? How can I ever die? How does it matter what this mind thinks? Even if this mind does not accept the truth right now, it will not have any impact on me. Ultimately, even this mind would have to surrender. How does it matter whether mind is confused, restless, sad, or happy when I am not this mind at all at the first place? How does it matter to me whether this mind realizes the truth this moment, in this life, or after exhausting itself in 100 rebirths? If I am not identified with mind, it does not matter what mind is doing. I am what I am. I have no name, no form, no qualities, no attributes. I neither discriminate between right or wrong, nor do I judge between good or bad. I am simply I am. I am desireless because I am always complete. Desires and fears can only appear in mind. Hence, no desire or fear can touch the real me. I am beyond the activities of the mind. Only mind can think that it lacks something. That is why desire comes up. But here, as a pure witnesser, I do not lack anything. I am complete. Hence, no desire can touch me. Even when mind is extremely restless or angry, I witness that from a distance, but remains completely silent. I do not intervene. The non-judgmental, unattached, unaffected, always silent, always still, always unattached, pure awareness. Even these words, pure awareness, pure consciousness, emptiness, are not my name because it cannot describe what I am. Hence they are meaningless. I cannot be described or explained in words. I cannot be seen or touched. I am beyond five senses. No mind can imagine my true nature. I am beyond time and space. I am everywhere. I am everyone. And everyone is me. I am everything. And everything is me. Whole universe is inside me. just like a dream world is projected every night in my head. There is nothing here except me. There is only me, and nothing else ever happened. Nothing else ever appeared. I am non-dual. I am Advait. There is no other. There is only me. All characters in this dream world are different expressions of my own self. The so-called world I see around is only my shadow, which appears to be real, but it is only an illusion. In reality, there is no universe, no space, no past, no future, no time, no mind. Nothing ever happened. There is only infinite silence, this limitless peace, which is my true nature. There is nothing here except me. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.